a taste test on the Christmas cake I made a couple of months ago with my homemade candied fruit. Fruit and fruit skin, candied peel. Yeah, so it smells good. We just kind of see, ideally I would have wanted it to be maybe a little bit older than 2 months, but I've run out of cake, so we might as well see what it tastes like. Look. It looks alright. It's alright. I'm not going to do it in half, I'll just whip off an end. That's alright. That's alright. My mum's was what we call it. My mum's was darker. I think that might be down to the actual using. When my mum makes hers, she uses proper raisins and currants and things, whereas I was using the fruit from some gin, which my friends had given me. But we can see there's the one my that's certainly some of my homemade candied orange skin, and I think that might be a bit of melon skin or a bit of the ginger. But we'll give it a taste. It's cake. It's not going to be awful, is it? That's delicious. That's delicious. And because of there's a little bit of alcohol still left in the fruit, it really comes through. So normally you put a little bit of whiskey or a little bit of rum or a little bit of brandy in a Christmas cake. Don't need to, because of the little bit of alcohol that was left in the blueberries. I did maybe some cherries went in there as well. Can't just quite remember. But that's delicious. That works. So homemade candied fruit and the fruit for some gin. So it makes a delicious Christmas cake, and I mean, zero waste, isn't it? You know. And I'm not saying that I'll make my own candied fruit all the time, but it's certainly, if the opportunity arises, then I'll certainly make some more. And then I've also got making some slow gin as well. So I think we'll have a faff around with the slow berries once we've siphoned off the alcohol from that, and we'll see if the slows make a decent Christmas cake as well. Well, we'll taste them first, and we'll kind of see. But a success. 2 months is fine. Another 4 months would have been. 3 months would have been better. 4 months would have been even better still. But still, a success. It works, and there we go. I'm happy.